Hey there. So if you're somebody who's started using HubSpot and you have your website hosted somewhere else, maybe you're using some other CMS, some other platform in order to run your website and get it up and running, then maybe you would run into issues while you're trying to track all of the data. So today we are going to tell you how you can install the HubSpot tracking code on your existing website in order to get the most out of it. Now the HubSpot tracking code is unique to each account and you need to add it to your website in order to track it effectively. So in case your website is already on HubSpot, you don't have anything to worry about. But in case you are using a custom website or custom solution, watch on. In your HubSpot account, click the settings icon in the main navigation bar. Navigate to your tracking and analytics settings and then go to tracking code in the left sidebar menu. In the embed codes section, click on copy or click email to my web developer in order to send the tracking code to the team member who will be installing it on your site. Now to install the tracking code on your website, all you need to do is copy it and paste it before the closing body tag of your website. In case you are not technical enough to do it, contact your developer or we, the people at CTN9, are always happy to help you. In case you run into any issues while following this tutorial, do let us know in the comments below. And in case you need our help in order to implement some custom solutions of your own, please follow the QR code on your screens. And I'll see you soon in the next tutorial. I hope you have great holidays ahead.